Hi friends, in this video I'll give you a review on MEL Science subscription box, and you'll get the link in the description below. Click there and feel free to subscribe after watching this review. Let's start. MEL Science is a science subscription box company that combines hands-on experiments with virtual reality or augmented reality technologies to engage kids in studying science. Ages from 5 to 16 plus. It brings high-quality science education to over 60 countries around the world. A fun way for your kids to learn real science. Spark a love for science in your kids with monthly hands-on projects and educational digital experiences. Is MEL Science worth it? Yes, MEL Science is certainly worth it for anyone who has kids interested in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or even kids who are not interested in STEM but have a little spare time on their hands. That's because the activities are designed to be as entertaining as they are educational. MEL Science offer educational subscription boxes with breathtaking hands-on experiments, powered by immersive AR and VR lessons and live online classes. Their products are a great fit for aspiring scientists ages 5 to 16 plus, science teachers, schools, and homeschooling parents. Your kids can learn the basics of computer programming screen-free with their Montessori-approved robotics kit and computer with voice assistant. Assemble eco-friendly STEM models, launch rockets in AR, and learn through play. Build working models of everyday devices to understand how they function and study physics in VR. Get your own chemistry lab, conduct safe science experiments, and travel inside molecules with VR. Subscribe to MEL Science. Choose the STEM course at checkout. Start an adventure into science with monthly hands-on projects and educational digital experiences for your kids. Ages 5 to 9 plus, starting from $20.90 per month. You can switch to another course, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time. Get a new set with age-appropriate experiments and kid-friendly instructions every month. Subscribe to MEL Science. Choose the physics course at checkout. Make science fun with monthly hands-on projects and educational digital experiences for your kids. Ages 8 to 14 plus, starting from $20.90 per month. You can switch to another course, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time. Get a physics set with 2 to 3 hands-on experiments every month and explore how things work. Subscribe to MEL Science. Choose the chemistry course at checkout. Discover the fun in science with monthly hands-on projects and educational digital experiences for your kids. Ages 10 to 16 plus, starting from $20.90 per month. You can switch to another course, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time. Receive a chemistry set for kids with 2 to 3 experiments delivered every month, plus a free starter kit and VR headset with the first package. You'll get the link in the description below. Click there and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.